Today we're going to be looking at the Trimlock Drip Rail Rain Guard or Rain Gutter, available on Amazon using 3M tape for installation. After installing, this is what it looks like. And under the edge of the top of the trailer, this is on the back side of the trailer. And as you can see, it fits nice and snug right underneath. So using a little bit of water and rubbing alcohol, we cleaned the surface all the way to the front and back, and then measured pretty much just by eyeballing it, and then cut to the proper length and installed it from the back edge all the way to the roof rack bracket. According to the website, Amazon's website, it takes up to 72 hours for complete adhesion. So it's still movable once you first apply it. As you can see, I've cut it to length and installed it in between. I did find one issue that it probably I'll need to put some silicone around the edge of the roof rack so it doesn't drip the water into the roof rack bolt area. This is the left side installation as well, and everything was cut to length and fit nice and snug under the edge of the roof. The hardest part of the install was right above the door, because there's not a whole lot of room to install it under the edge of the roof. So what I did was I installed it on the top edge of the roof line, and you'll see that coming up in just a minute. And it makes the water drip to the other side of the rail, to the gutter, and you'll see right here that I mounted it above instead of below, and that helps make the water drip down to the other gutter underneath. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.